Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Once again, welcome you all to online learning platform of SPPS ILCAL. Dear students, we have completed our first unit in the previous classes. Today, we are going to start the next unit, Unit 2. Before we start the Unit 2, I would like to ask a few questions. Look at the picture. Tell me students, which season is it? Which season is it? And which season is going on now? Yes, you just tried now. It is rainy season. It will start in the month of June and continue till the end of September. The month of June, July, August and September are rainy months. So we have the poem which related to this season. That is Wet World. Unit 2, Poem 2, Wet World. Let us know who is the author of this poem. This poem was written by Norma Simon. Now let us know about the poet. Norma Simon was born on 1927 at New York. Look at the picture. She is the author of this poem, Norma Simon. Her books are, first one, All Kinds of Families, and second one, Why Am I Different, and third one, Wet World. Miss Simon has had a lifetime of experience working with children as a teacher, parent and volunteer. She has published more than 50 books for children. So this is brief note about the author. I hope you understood this. Now let us start the poem. Here it is. I will read this. You listen carefully. Unit 2, Wet World. A wet world waited when I woke up this morning. Wet windows, wet trees, wet leaves, wet grass, wet streets, wet rooftops, wet world. A warm breakfast waited when I went down the stairs. Warm toast, warm cereal, warm cocoa, warm tummy. A stiff raincoat slipped on my stiff arms. Stiff red boots over my wiggly toes. Hat, coat, boots out to the wet world. I walk on the wet world. Wet mud tugs my boots. Wet pavement splashes my boots. Wet rain sprinkles my hat. Wet rain drips down my coat. Wet cars swish down my road. Windscreen wipers wipe the wet. Wish, 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 wish. Wish away the wet. Wet puddles cover wet boots. Dry feet in wet boots. Dry arms in wet coat. Dry head in wet hat. Dry me, wet world. A warm world waited when I went home. Warm mother, warm father, warm stove. A wet world waited outside my window. A warm bed waited inside my room. A warm kiss kissed me. And now I am in bed. I wonder what world will wait in the morning. Good night, wet world. Written by Norma Simon. This poem was very warmful poem and very enjoyable rainy day. Here we have the list of new words. You can take the screenshot and write it down in your English notebook. First one, wet, damp, watery, undried. Second one, warm, hot. Third one, street, road, path. Fourth one, stiff, strong, hard, tough. Fifth one, pavement, footpath. Sixth one, wiggly. To wiggle is to move quickly from side to side or up and down. Seventh one, tug, a sharp and hard pull or grab. Eighth one, windscreen, a protective sheet of glass in front of motor vehicle, also called a front window. Ninth one, wipers, arms on a windscreen for cleaning away rain, dirt, etc. 10th one, splash, pour the water. 11th one, swish, to make a rustling sound while moving. 12th one, puddles, a small pool of water usually on a path or road. And last one, sprinkle, drops like a spray. So I hope you have learned some new words and their meanings from this class. So in this poem, the poet is playing the role of young boy. So he found that it was raining, so it is called wet world. So we will continue this meaning of the poem in the next session. So now here your homework. Write the poem and meaning of new words and brief note about the poet in English notebook one time and recite the poem. I hope you will do this with pleasure. So till then, goodbye. Thank you for watching the video. See you again.